What is AOOA Racing Caliper Covers made from?
Crafted from durable ADC12 die-cast aluminum alloy, the main shell resists heat and corrosion, boosting both performance and vehicle aesthetics. The fixed support, forged from 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, features 304 stainless steel and custom anti-loose screw nuts.
Does AOOA Racing Caliper Covers affect heat dissipation?
AOOA caliper covers are high-pressure die-cast aluminum, which won't affect braking and helps with heat dissipation due to aluminum's excellent thermal properties.
What is the function of installing caliper covers?
Caliper covers do more than enhance your car's appearance. They also help keep your wheels cleaner. By reducing brake dust buildup, caliper covers help maintain a cleaner look between washes.
What are the available colors that you have?
We offer 16 color options for caliper covers, where our best-selling colors are red, yellow, and green. We also have army green, dark blue, light blue, Tiffany blue, light cyan, purple, pink, white, cement gray, volcanic gray, black, orange, including our newly added silver variant. All available colors can be viewed on the product selection menu.